We're going now to use the slicers in order to do some filters for our graphs. So I'm going to do the following. I select any of the table that insert, okay, click on slicer, okay, use the slicers to filter data visually, okay, and I click on this and then select all the fields. And create these slicers, as you can see. So I'm gonna select these slicers now, all cut, and I'm gonna to the dashboard. I'm gonna paste them, and I'm gonna distribute them like this. Okay, it depends, of course, how you want to do this. You can use it like this if you want, or you can sort. So as you can see here, as they are created, you can see if you right click on each of them, click on slicer settings, you have the name, the caption, as you can see, a name and caption, and then the display header. Filter. So if I select, for example, for one or this one, I can also click for customer one. I can see the duration. Okay, set the filter, okay, as you can see here. So you create all this. So just this one, and you have this. If you click on this one, you have 1, 2, 3. Multi-select. But on this table. Now, if you want to have also the other, okay, I'm gonna reset this. If you want the other also to be updated, we will see this. Okay, if I select this for the representative, if you remove, we have representative 2. Okay, you see this graph done for all the customers, but excluding representative 02. So you can see here, for example, remove this, gonna filter, or I'm gonna select representative 1. You see for each customer basically the cells. Okay, we'll see that also for the others how to do. Okay, so that we have a dashboard that is complete, that we can basically have all the updates real time on all the graphs. Okay, we will see this in the next video.